Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics. In today's video, I will show you how to download ChatGPT. How to install ChatGPT on your device, on your laptop or on your PC, guys. So this will be full step-by-step tutorial how to do it. First of all, you should open ChatGPT on your browser. I will leave the link in the description. If you don't know exact link, it's chat.openai.com. And once you open ChatGPT, you should click these three dots in the top right corner, and you should go to more tools and click create shortcut. Here you can choose the name, for example chat GPT, and click create. Let's close Chrome and let's check our desktop. You can see we downloaded ChatGPT on our PC. You can do it the same thing on your laptop, on your MacBook, it doesn't matter, guys. And once we click this, ChatGPT will open, guys. So that's all I wanted to show you in this short video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like button. Likes are super important for me. Thank you and see you in the next video.